Well, sundown in Fargo. We're going a little bit further tonight because there's a baseball tournament here. And yeah, I'm assuming hotels will be pretty booked. We're at the Space Aliens Grill and Bar. Earthlings welcome. And how about we take... I'm gonna be abducted by a shroob. Also, I question how he can throw a football in space when there's no air, but whatever. I'm trying to put logic. Oh, and he's catching the pass. With these spike cleats, anything is possible. Spike cleats! Here's the place. Very immature, but much welcome joke. Sports bar, Area 51, which is where we're eating. I'm on a cover. Images that got some nice images that I appreciate. And here's the arcade. I'd hit it, but we don't have time. They do have like my favorite prize arm game now, so. Nothing can stop the club! And there's the moon. Space shuttle and all these little plastic things. And Toy Story. And let's just see some more stuff. Some memorabilia. I think we're good. Nice. So yeah, oh, there's a rocket ship in a lower recessed area, and that up there reminds me of Space Mountain. But yeah, here we go. Pretty cool place. Almost makes me wish I lived here. Almost. Probably a bit too hot in the summer for me. But it's a good thing for storms. Although, unfortunately, it seems like the next 2 days are going to be mediocre at best. I don't see any real risk of severe weather. I mean, I think like tomorrow, maybe there's a marginal risk. That's the best we got in the entire country. And the day after that doesn't even break into severe limits. So it's probably going to be a boring couple of days, but I'm hoping the next week will be a bit more interesting. I suppose we won't know for sure until tomorrow how tomorrow is going to be, but I don't like the prospects. I don't know if there's much else to say, so I'm going to say smoke weed every day and call it a video.